Hi, this is Joanne with Broadcast Sunny, and this is part two of an interview with Norah Deay. To see the other parts of the interview, go to After Your Book is Written playlist on the Broadcast Sunny channel. There's some great tips in this interview, as well as the biggest mistake writers make that she sees in her work. Question.
Yeah.
What is the most common mistake that you see when because I know you edit a lot of people's work. So what's the most common mistake you see?
Um, I would say it's just basically using too many words.
Mm.
You know, people still have a tendency
Now, when you say
to.
too many words, do you mean too many words to say something that could be condensed, or are you saying it's just too long?
No,
Okay.
no. It's well, it's the first, but then it ends up the second. You know, it ramble sentences ramble.
Yeah, yeah.
I mean, one of the things that everybody should do when they actually maybe that first time when you're reading through is to read it aloud
Yeah.
and see how it sounds.
Actually, Microsoft Word has a thing where it will read it to you, and I like that even better than reading it out loud. I like hearing it and following along.
I didn't know that. I'm gonna listen,
Yeah,
I'm gonna get
yeah,
it.
yeah. I forget.
um,
I haven't. I didn't renew my subscription. I should, but
uh,
yeah, I used that quite a bit in my last book, and that was
all
very
right, okay.
helpful. I went, wait, that doesn't sound. And what's beautiful about it is even with the commas, you know how comma is supposed to be a pause, it will pause for a moment, and you can. So if it's one long string, wait, I want them to pause there, or no, I didn't want that pause.
Yeah,
You know where to put the commas a little bit better.
that's it exactly.
Yeah.
And then the other one is when I was only a kid, and I wrote something, and a mentor said to me, "You use too many adjectives," and that's always stuck with me. You know, so
Oh, I could see
you
that. I knew somebody who did that. It's like you have five adjectives leading up to this
yeah,
noun. Come
yeah.
on.
So I'm feeling really good. Is what you're feeling good. It doesn't
Yeah,
matter. You don't.
yeah.
So it's these.
I
There is a
gotcha.
there is a little program that you can get, and um,
Look for
it will
wordiness.
pick up all the words that you use, too many
Yeah,
times. And one of the things is anything that ends in ly,
yeah.
like those words are not needed. There you go.
Yeah,
So those words
usually.
are not
I get
needed.
that. But I somewhat disagree because I know Stephen King was big. No adverbs, no adverbs. And I get that. Limit the adverbs. But I don't say no adverbs because, I mean, you can look at some great works. I mean, J.K. Rowling, read her books. She has adverbs in there. It is possible to use adverbs. Just don't overly do it. Overly.
When exactly when you're aware of them,
Yes. Yes, you
you
have to
know,
be aware of them.
there are times when I'll read something and it's passive writing,
Yeah.
and I'll say it fits. I know it's almost like you are never ever to use passive writing.
Mm.
It's always supposed to be active, but sometimes the passive works,
Yeah.
and it's that whole thing about you have to know the rules
Yeah.
to be able to break them.
Yes, that's true. That's Hi, I hope you're enjoying this interview with Norah Deay. If you would like to see more of the interview, go see our playlist called After the Book is Written on the Broadcast Sunny channel. We will discuss things like writing circles, learning to edit before going to an editor, and other things. So I hope you will join us, and till next time. Oh, please like, share, subscribe, support this channel by doing so. Thank you.